The following distributions gives the daily income of 50 workers at a factory. We have to construct less than cumulative frequency curve for this data. So draw less than cumulative frequency curve for the given data. Here to draw less than cumulative frequency curve, we should make two more columns. One is upper boundary of classes. Next one is less than cumulative frequency. Now 250 to 300, again 300 is coming. Such classes are called exclusive classes. Upper limit is repeated here. 300 is coming two times. So we should not count 300 in this. Such classes are called exclusive classes. Upper limit is not included in that class. So they are called exclusive classes. For exclusive classes, upper limits will become upper boundary. So 300, this is 350, 400, 450 and it is 500. Less than cumulative frequency of a class is defined as sum of all frequencies from the beginning up to that class. So if you want less than cumulative frequency of this class, we should add all the frequencies from the beginning up to this. Therefore less than cumulative frequency of the class is 12, 12 plus 14, 26, 26 plus 8, 34, 34 plus 6, 40, 40 plus 10, 50. Here, upper boundaries of classes we have to take on x-axis. Less than cumulative frequency we have to take on y-axis. Here, upper boundary is 300, 350 is there. So let us take on x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 50 units. So 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, 450 and so on. Now here less than cumulative frequency is 12, 26, highest is 40 is there. Let us take on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10 units. So let us write scale here. On x-axis 1 centimeter is 50 units. On y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 5 units. Now when upper boundary is 300, less than cumulative frequency is 12. Upper boundary is 300, less than cumulative frequency is 12. 12 means after 10. When upper boundary is 350, less than cumulative frequency is 26. This is 350, 25, 26 here. When upper boundary is 400, less than cumulative frequency is 34. 400, 34. When upper boundary is 450, less than cumulative frequency is 40. 40 is here. When upper boundary is 500, less than cumulative frequency is 50. So like this. Now we should join these points without scale. It is called curve. So we should not use scale. So without scale we have to join them. This is the less than cumulative frequency curve. So to draw less than cumulative frequency curve, we have to write upper boundaries and LCF. For exclusive classes, upper limit will become upper boundary. So 300, 350, 400, 450, 500. Less than cumulative frequency of a class is defined as sum of all frequencies from the beginning up to that class. So we should add 12, 12 plus 14, 26, 26 plus 8, 34 and so on. So now class boundaries, upper boundaries are taken on x-axis, corresponding less than cumulative frequency is taken on y-axis. Now we draw a curve that is called the LCF curve, which is also known as Ogive curve. Right, next question. Draw less than cumulative frequency curve for the given data. Here classes are not there, so we should write classes. This is cumulative frequency. Frequency also we should write. After writing classes and frequencies, we should write upper boundaries of the classes. Now less than 38, less than 40, there is a difference of 2. So we can start the classes like this. 36 to 38, less than 40, 38 is covered here. 38 to 40, this is 40 to 42, 42 to 44, this is 44 to 46, 46 to 48, 48 to 50, next 50 to 52. Now less than 38 there are 0 students, less than 40 there are 3 students, less than 42 there are 5 students, less than 42 5 means in this 5 this 3 is also coming included. Therefore to write the frequency we should subtract them. 0, next 3 minus 0, that is 3, next 5 minus 3, it is 2, next 9 minus 5, it is 4, 14 minus 9, it is 5, 28 minus 14, it is 14, 32 minus 28, it is 4, 35 minus 32, it is 3. So like this we should prepare the frequency column. Now classes of this type are called exclusive classes. For exclusive classes, upper boundary and upper limit both are same. So we can write upper boundaries 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52. Now to draw less than cumulative frequency curve. To draw less than cumulative frequency curve, we should take upper boundaries of classes on x-axis and less than cumulative frequency on y-axis. So if you plot the graph, you have to complete this graph, you will get a XCF curve like this. Less than cumulative frequency curve, you will get like this. So upper boundaries you have to see on x-axis, lower bound that is less than cumulative frequency, this you have to see on y-axis. So if you draw the curve, you will get less than cumulative frequency curve.